In the heart of America lies a machine so massive, so powerful, and so invisible that most people use it every single day without even realizing it. A network stretching over 48,000 miles, costing more than $1 trillion over its lifetime, and built with a vision that changed world history. This is the Interstate Highway System, America's greatest mega project and the secret backbone of the world's largest economy. The hidden origin of America's highway empire. To understand this trillion-dollar miracle, we have to rewind back to a time when America's roads were terrible. In the early 20th century, driving across the country wasn't an adventure. It was a survival test. Dusty roads, random state routes, broken bridges. A 3,000-mile journey could take weeks. Then came World War II. Future President Dwight D. Eisenhower witnessed Germany's advanced Autobahn system. He saw how fast troops, weapons, and supplies moved across Europe. He understood something no one else did. Roads win wars, and they build nations. When Eisenhower became president, he pushed for a bold idea that seemed crazy at the time. A national superhighway network connecting every major city, port, military base, and industrial hub. Not just for travel, not just for business, but for national security. This wasn't just infrastructure. This was strategy, a $1 trillion engineering revolution. In 1956, the Federal Aid Highway Act passed, the single largest public works program in human history. Engineers faced a challenge unlike anything before, cutting through mountains, building over rivers, designing hurricane-resistant bridges, creating interchanges the size of small towns. One by one, they constructed the I-10 corridor, stretching 2,460 miles, the I-95, the busiest road in America, the I-80 from New York to San Francisco, the big interchanges like the Judge Harry Pregerson, a concrete maze floating in midair. This wasn't just building roads, this was reshaping an entire continent. Millions of workers, billions of tons of concrete, and decades of unstoppable progress. By the time it neared completion, the cost exceeded $1 trillion in today's value. But what America received in return was priceless. How highways built. The world's largest economy, the interstate system turned America into a high-speed economic engine. Factories could reach customers nationwide goods that once took weeks, now took days. Cities exploded outward. Welcome to the birth of suburbs, malls, and logistics hubs. Cost of transportation fell dramatically, making American products cheaper and globally competitive. Highways became the arteries of the U.S. economy, pumping life into every corner of the country. Today, 70% of all freight travels by truck. Every supermarket aisle, every Amazon package, every gas station depends on Eisenhower's network. Highways didn't just create convenience, they created prosperity. The dark side. What highways destroyed? But mega projects always come with a cost. And this one wasn't just financial. To build massive highways through crowded cities, entire neighborhoods were demolished. Thousands of homes were torn down. Communities, often low income or a minority, were split apart. Cities like Detroit, New Orleans, and Miami are still living with the consequences. Highways connected the nation, but they also divided it. And as America grew richer, its dependence on cars created new problems. Traffic, pollution, urban sprawl, rising infrastructure, maintenance costs. The interstate system gave America speed, but it came at a human and environmental price. The future, America's next highway revolution. Today, America stands at a crossroads, literally and financially. Much of its interstate infrastructure is aged, overloaded, and in urgent need of modernization. But a new wave of mega projects is coming. Smart highways with sensors embedded in the pavement, national EV charging corridors powered by renewable energy, autonomous truck networks, reducing shipping times and costs, Highway expansion is designed for the economy of 2050. The next $1 trillion will not build new highways. It will transform the existing ones. The goal? A cleaner, faster, more resilient America. Final message. From Eisenhower's bold vision to the massive engineering achievements that followed, America's interstate highway system is more than concrete and steel. It's a symbol of ambition, a reminder of what a nation can build when imagination meets engineering. A $1 trillion secret hiding in plain sight, powering the world's largest economy, shaping millions of lives, and steering America into the future. This is the story of the world's most epic highway system.